Okay, so I think a really fast and easy look compared to my usual looks. It is really simple because I usually go into colors, take another color and a third color, a fourth color, you know. Yeah. So I really tried to keep myself to 1 plus something color today, and I think I managed, so yay! Anyways, thanks again for watching if you did, and hope to see you next time. Use all your colors. Just cleaned up my makeup drawers, like kind of a spring cleaning thing. So I went through everything. I took out the old that I think it might be too old to use already. So MAC Soar lip liner, a lot of it that I know that I don't even want to give it to someone, you know. Because if I think it's good enough, I will give it to someone else. But if I think it's too old, I will just, you know, you have to just let it go then. And it's impossible to use up makeup, I think. Yeah, pretty impossible. I mean, foundation and those things, of course, you can use up. Other things, it's pretty hard to use up like 15 grams or 10 grams or something, unless you have like only this one thing. Which I have more than one thing. Yeah. A little bit of a lid primer from Smashbox. Okay, so I think I want to use MAC Whirl on my lips. It's like a brown like that. I was thinking, when I went through my makeup, I saw all these, I had I think 4 or 5 of these single ones from Elizabeth Arden, and they're really pretty eyeshadows. But I tend to be lazy to take out singles nowadays. This one is a really pretty one from these that I have, and it's called Spice. And it's a really reddish, kind of coppery, pinky brown like that. I thought to use just one eyeshadow. You think I can do that? And also I think it goes with the lip that I chose. So I will try something like that. Ooh, this one is shedding. So it's a color like this. So I'm using just this one. I'm taking it stronger down here. And with a smaller brush I will go under the eye. So clean brush to just go around it. And blend it out a bit. Like that. Could I actually stay just with one color for once? That would be amazing. And don't mind my nails because I forgot to put something new on them and they got a bit stained from the green. I had a green one on last, so yeah, it stained them pretty nicely. So same Spice and smaller brush like that, and under the eye. Let's take it all the way then already if I have only this choice. You know. I will use one more eyeshadow. I will use this Smashbox one from here. It's an kind of a neon pink like that again that I like. Now, just for cleaning up purposes, I use this really light yellow again, just around here. So anyways, I'm taking this one now here. And this palette is called something, probably Soft Light or something. Soft Light. So they are really soft, those. They're really pretty, but you can definitely not use just this palette if you want a normal look. Or you need to have like a white base or something like that. So I'm going in with this one now here. This one is really pretty though. And together with this, I think it becomes even more like neon pink looking, maybe. Around here, meeting up with this bronzy brown. Maybe even up here a bit. So it looks very strong to begin with, but then you just, you know, then you just fluff it out like that. And blend it with the other one. I don't think it's, you know, too much at all. Like really. I think I'll use a little bit of the gel liner from MAC, Deep Down, the brown one. And maybe nothing in the inner, you know, part of the eye. Just because I don't feel like using anything in the inner part of the eye today. And yeah, I will do that off camera because, yeah, I think so. And just mascara and start with the skin. Okay, I didn't do anything on the redness here, so try to ignore it because, yeah, I just don't feel like putting anything on this area right now. So it's just gonna stay the way it is. And usually anyway, if I really want to cover it, my best way of covering it is actually with a scarf. So yeah. Now on the skin I will take this MAC Golden Rinse in Extra Dimension powder, and it looks like that. It's a really pretty bronzer, and just, my chair is making a lot of noise, and just try and make it like a little bit warmer. I really tried to keep this simple and I think I managed. So I think this is a perfect time to use this also a MAC product, the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in For Sure, this blush version of it. So it's pretty bronzy pinky brown like that by itself, but I thought to use it with this Ofra highlighter in Space Baby, which is the one with the blue one. So I really like it with the one with the pink, neon pink one, Cloud 9, but it's also really pretty with this one. Maybe I should use a brush like this. I think so. So I think I will first blend them together. Blend them together. They're supposed to be together now. So I will just go over. Oh, it's really blue still. A little bit more the other one. Okay. It became really blue. Well, yes, it's really blue. Well, I like it anyways. I will take a smaller brush, one of those that I used already for the eye. I will do the same thing, you know, blend them together and use it a little bit around here because I really like it. Here, of course, is the pink one. So I will use it around here a bit. Maybe go out with it like that and blend them together. And blend it together maybe with another brush. Ooh. Okay, this blue one really is like... Okay, I didn't also use a lot of powder, so it probably got really stuck like because of that. But as you can see, this one became kind of blue now too. So a lot of it is left. A lot of this one is left in here. Well, I think maybe I should clean that up a bit. But anyways, I will just take a stiffer brush and clean it up a bit because I don't want to have the blue one in there like next time I use it. So that's a bit better. Anyways, yeah, well, that's a bit blue, but I like it. I like it like that. A little bit. Anyways, it's such a simple look this time. So anyways, thanks again for watching. Hope you're using all your colors. Now, I did go through all my makeup today. Since I don't have a camera for doing those kind of videos, like filming, decluttering and those kind of things, I don't even think about filming it. Nonetheless, I came to a conclusion that I have more than enough. I'm really going to do my best to start using all the colors I own and enjoy them. Because now I can actually see all of them. It's ridiculous.